The Bridge of Events Explained. Hello beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down what is the Bridge of Events, how to recognize when you're on the Bridge of Events, and simply put, how the Bridge of Events is leading you to your manifestation so that you don't have to lift a single finger. So let's get started. What is the Bridge of Events? So the Bridge of Events is something that gets activated once you become the person that already has your manifestation. In other words, when you activate a state, when you begin to exist at a specific level of consciousness that is equivalent to your desires, you activate something called the Bridge of Events. And the Bridge of Events is what is going to deliver to you your manifestation without you having to lift a finger. Now, if you're not sure what I mean by activating a state and how to become the person that already has your manifestation, you can watch my video on expressing states. I will put a link below in the description box. But once you become the person that already has your manifestation, you will activate the Bridge of Events. And the Bridge of Events is something that your higher self has worked out. So the Bridge of Events is guiding you from where you are right now to your manifestation. It will bring your manifestation to you without you having to lift a finger. Another way of saying this is that your higher self has already worked out the how your manifestation will flow into your experience. So it is not your job to try and figure out the how. So if you're trying to figure out the how, you want to let go of that. It is not your job. And that's why when you try to figure out the how, you feel out of alignment. Right? You feel triggered because your human mind was never designed to figure out the how. That's the job of your higher self. Your human mind was designed to define what it is that you want and then to become the person that already has it so that you can activate the Bridge of Events, which is the how. Once you activate the Bridge of Events, your higher self will guide you from one stepping stone to the next to your manifestation through the unknown. Which then brings me to my next point when people say, well, Priya, how will I recognize when I'm on the Bridge of Events? The truth of the matter is you will not know when you're on the Bridge of Events because it's happening through the unknown. When you become the person that already has your manifestation, put it this way, you're never looking for your manifestation. You're never sitting there thinking like, how's it going to happen? I need to make it happen. What else can I do? You're never contemplating that because you're already the person that has your manifestation. And this is when you activate the Bridge of Events. So then, through the Bridge of Events, it will effortlessly guide you from where you are to your manifestation. Like opportunities will literally come knocking on your door. They will present themselves to you. Maybe you'll bump into the right person because you're at the right place at the right time. Or the Bridge of Event could be you get that phone call or you get that email. That's an opportunity that's being presented to you. This is literally how it will happen. Again, your higher self has already worked out the how. So it is not your job to try and figure out the how. It is only your job to become the person that already has it. And then by doing that, you will activate the Bridge of Events, which is how your manifestation will be delivered to you. Right? So your higher self has worked out the how, has set up correlative components on your behalf to deliver to you your manifestation. And this occurs through the Bridge of Events. And it's going to be through the unknown. Another way to think about this is if you're trying to figure out the how, like how am I going to meet my person? I need to join a dating app. How am I going to make money? Maybe I should do this, or I need to do this, X, Y, and Z. Then what that actually means is that you are not on the Bridge of Events. That's for sure. Because when you're on the Bridge of Events, you don't know you're on the Bridge of Events. You're just moving from one stepping stone to another without knowing that it's leading you to the right place at the right time to rendezvous with a specific person or circumstance that's delivering to your manifestation. So you won't know. Another way to think about it is when you become the person that already has your manifestation, you're never like searching or looking for it or even thinking about it because as far as you're concerned, you already have your manifestation. You feel like you already have it. And so unconsciously, you will be guided through the Bridge of Events to your manifestation. You won't know you're on the Bridge of Events, but I guess a way of deciphering if you are on the bridge of events or not is if you're thinking, am I on the bridge of events? Then you're clearly not, because when you truly become the person that has your manifestation, you know it's done. So you're never thinking about when is it going to happen? How is it going to happen? Those are not thoughts that are occurring when you become the person that already has your manifestation, when you activate that state of consciousness that equals your desire. Instead, you're just bipping along, really happy from one stepping stone to another, and you have no idea that you're on the bridge of events. Now, the next thing that I want to address here is somebody did ask a question about how do you not deviate from the bridge of events? And I thought this was a great question, because here's the thing. Once you activate the state of your desires, once you become the person that already has your desires, from that moment of inception, when you become the person that already has your desires, the bridge of events gets activated and nothing can stop it. So nothing in your 3D reality can stop it or prevent it. The only thing that can stop it is you, by instead activating another state. So once you activate the state of consciousness that says, I'm already the person that has my manifestation, from that moment of inception, the bridge of events will unfold. It is activated. It is now unfolding. Nothing can stop it. Your manifestation is a done deal. It will show up. It will present itself to you. And then you can say yes or no, because you still have free will to say yes or no. But opportunities will literally come knocking on your door. And this works for everything, right? For a relationship, for abundance, for a promotion, to pass your exams, whatever it is, the bridge of event is the how it will occur. It is none of your business to try and work out the how. And if you're trying to work out the how, then that should be an indicator, an alarm bell in your mind that says, okay, I am not yet the person who already has my manifestation. If I was, I wouldn't be trying to work out the how. So then you want to go back to focusing on becoming the person that already has it by impressing your subconscious mind. I already have a video on that, so I'm not going to go into it in this video, but I will put a link below in the description box on how to impress the subconscious mind so that you become the person that already has your manifestation, and therefore you activate the bridge of events that is going to effortlessly guide you to your manifestation. Which is something else that I want to address about the bridge of events. When you're on the bridge of events, it happens effortlessly. So you're never struggling. You're never trying to force something. Like, it happens effortlessly. It's literally guiding you from one stepping stone to the next to your manifestation effortlessly. You will not know you're on the bridge of events. You will literally bump into your manifestation, or somebody will call you or email you. Like, that is how it will work. But you will not know that you are on the bridge of events. It is going to happen through the unknown, not through the way that your conscious mind thinks it needs to happen, which is always based on past content and past material and what's happened in the past. Whereas your higher self is not going to deliver you your manifestation that way. Once you activate the bridge of events, it will happen in a way through the unknown, in a very effortless, magical manner where everything will just come to you without you having to lift a finger. Now, sometimes people say, well, Priya, if let's say I'm in the right place at the right time, then aren't I technically moving in my 3D reality? And yes, you are. Like, I can use the example of when I met my husband. We met in Santorini in a queue to go up to the town of Ia to get the cable car to Ia. That's how we met. So then, you know, technically I did move. Like, I was living in London at the time. I did hop on a flight and then go to Greece, and then got in a queue, and that's where I met my husband. But here's the thing that you want to understand about the bridge of events. When you are on it, you don't know you're on it. So you're never, therefore, intentionally moving towards your desire. It's not like when I was in London, I sat there thinking, now I'm going to hop on a flight and I'm going to meet the love of my life in Greece. Like, I wasn't even thinking that, because I'd already become the person that had my manifestation. So I was never thinking, oh, this is where I'm going to meet my person. And I was just happily living my life. But then the bridge of events that unfolded was such that it meant that I had to get on a flight, go to Greece, and then when in Greece, I was going to go to the cable car queue, and this is where I would meet my husband. That was how the bridge of events unfolded. So it happened through the unknown. It happened effortlessly. I wasn't looking for it. I never joined no dating apps, because if you're joining a dating app, then you haven't really become the person that has your manifestation. And this applies to anything, by the way, whether that's abundance, better health. Like if you are looking outside of yourself to try and make it happen, then you haven't become the person that already has it. And therefore, you cannot activate the bridge of events. In that case, you will manifest through the 3D, which is through effort and time, and it will deplete you because you're not really aligned with what you want. So you're compensating for misaligned energy through action, which is definitely one way to manifest. That is a type of manifestation, but this video is about effortless manifestation. It's about once you become the person that already has your manifestation, how your manifestation comes to you without you lifting a finger. That's a different type of manifestation. That's manifesting from the quantum field, where instead you're manifesting from energy to matter instead of from matter to matter and trying to force it and make it happen through the 3D. So the bridge of event will only occur when you become the person that has your manifestation. If you don't become the person that has your manifestation, you will not activate the bridge of events. And this is when things will feel hard. You will have to look for things. You will have to figure things out through trial and error. You will maybe experience a lot of triggers because you will feel like, why don't I have the thing that I want? There's a whole process to that, and that's a whole other thing. But the message that I really want to shine a light here on today is that when you become the person that already has your manifestation, you activate the bridge of events, which is the how, and your manifestation will come to you. So the bridge of events is something that is created by your higher self. It's the how. Your higher self has already worked out how your manifestation will come to you. And when you become the person that already has your manifestation, the bridge of events gets activated, and this is how your manifestation comes to you without you lifting a finger. So you're not consciously looking for it. You might be moving from one place to another, but you're not actively thinking, this is how my manifestation is going to happen, or this needs to happen in order for me to get this. You're just happily living your life, and then you will literally bump into your manifestation. Or it could be you're happily living your life and then you get a phone call and that's an opportunity, or you get an email and that's an opportunity. Like, there are infinite ways that this could play out, and the point is you have no idea. Only your higher self knows. Your only job is to become the person that already has your manifestation so that you can activate the bridge of events. Now, if you want to go deeper into what you have learned here today, if you would like a step-by-step roadmap from start to finish that shows you how to manifest anything that you desire, then you can get your hands on my manifestation courses by clicking the link below. And also, if you are somebody right now who has multiple desires and you want to learn how to manifest all of your desires at the same time, then you can watch my video here next, how to manifest multiple desires at once. And last but not least, thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful day or a wonderful evening. Mwah.